HENGKO is a leading OEM manufacturer known for producing high-quality HPLC inlet filters. We excel in designing and manufacturing a wide range of metal filters for HPLC systems, catering to the stringent requirements of the medical and pharmaceutical industries. Our HPLC filters are celebrated for their reliability, precision, and durability, ensuring optimal performance and longevity in critical applications. We also offer customized solutions to meet specific industrial needs, enhancing the efficiency and effectiveness of our clients' operations. For OEM or wholesale inquiries about HPLC inline filters, please contact HENGKO by email kai@henko.com.